Meet CC Engineers Private Limited. CC Engineers has over the years delivered over 100 training products to the Indian Railways. We pride ourselves to be the only qualified railway simulator manufacturer in India. We have a wide range of training-related products, from full cab loco driving simulators, maintenance and troubleshooting simulators, and all other computer-based training solutions encompassing virtual reality and augmented reality, integrated with learning management systems. We take significant efforts on research and development in order to find the most effective ways to deliver training. We also provide all-round solutions by including services such as operations and maintenance. We have delivered full-scope driving simulators for electrical and diesel locomotives, as well as metro systems. We can easily integrate our simulators with a variety of motion platforms. All driving simulators are built in a high-fidelity environment to improve driving performance, to enable route learning exercises, and understand how to handle unusual occurrences along the way. As the rail industry moves towards an automated environment with minimal human intervention, the reliance on complex engineering systems has become paramount. As failure of any crucial system results in significant loss of life and unimaginable logistical nightmares. To counter this, maintenance simulators equip the maintenance staff with the necessary training in order to accurately diagnose the problem, find optimum solutions, and implement them in a timely manner. Apart from hands-on simulator training, we also provide a wide range of computer-based training. Solutions in virtual reality and augmented reality have emerged as an extremely promising field. These solutions have revolutionized the process by providing training without putting staff at risk. We have service engineers spread out all over India to assist in preventive as well as breakdown maintenance with the least amount of lead time. At some sites, we've also provided integrated operations services to better assist trainees with technically qualified staff for handling complex simulation systems. At CC Engineers, we believe in being at the forefront of technology and constantly strive towards keeping our products at par with the best in the world. Contact us at sales@railsimulation.com for more information.